looking for a new skincare products for 2026, these two products from Mixsoon is definitely a must-have. I've got some new skincare products and I'm currently loving them. They are Mixsoon, and I've got their Bean Essence Serum, and I've got the Bean Sun Serum, which contain SPF 50. Let me show you guys the quality of these products. They're so amazing, honestly. I love how they leave my skin feeling so smooth. They give me that glass effect skin. This is the SPF 50 and this is the serum. These are so amazing. If you're looking to have a beautiful radiant skin, you need this product. You can see how it's so juicy. Oh my god, this really blends in so to my skin so nicely. I just love when I put it onto my skin. It gives me that beautiful radiant shine complexion. Once the serum is dried on my face, then I'll follow by my SPF. Did you know that you can use SPF in all weather, whether it's sun, whether it's winter, whether it's autumn, whether it's spring, whatever weather it is? SPF is definitely a must-have. It should be part of your skincare regime every day, because SPF protects your skin against radicals, against pollution in the environment, sun, and so on. It's definitely a must-have. And these SPF, I think I put too much now. The good thing is it's literally no white cast. The most amazing thing I love about this SPF is that it doesn't leave any white cast at all. As you can see, it blends in so perfectly to the skin without any trace of any whiteness or anything like that. It's definitely a must-have. I'm gonna tag these both products in the yellow basket. If you want a beautiful quality skincare regime for this new year, then this is the one. It's definitely gonna give my eyes that love in me, that TLC. I woke up this morning and I felt like my eyes was so puffy and it was so sore, and I feel like I'm coming up with the dark under eye circle and all that stuff. I just didn't like how my eyes was feeling. It's so sore, because you know what guys, my eyes go through a lot of staring on the phone, on the laptop, you name it. Anyhow, I got this eye mask sheet from TikTok shop. This is from the Coke. It contains the collagen and the PDRN. This is what it looks like. I had to get 2 packs, so 1 pack is about £11, and I think when you get the 2, it's a bit discounted. I need this because boy, my eyes are so sore. And this is what it looks like. It comes in a container like this, and you actually have a scoop to scoop it out. I was having that sore eye. I just remember that I've got this eye mask. It's gonna save me, literally. So juicy in there. I'm just gonna take some. This is what it actually looks like. It's a transparent eye mask, collagen inside, and niacinamide. It feels so nice on the skin. Oh, this is what my eyes need right now. I'm gonna leave it on for a few minutes for it to do its magic, and it's just gonna give the plumpness, and it's gonna make my eyes awaken. I love the fact that it's transparent, so you can actually have this on and go outside and nobody will even know that you've got eye mask on. Honestly, it's so nice. But yeah guys, I'm gonna tag in the yellow basket if you're having a sore eyes, a puffy eyes, dark under eye circle, and you want to improve your eyes, you want your eyes to look more awakened, help with the hollowness under eye and then the puffiness and stuff like that. You need this. Make sure you check it out from the TikTok shop. It's currently on a discount, so make sure you grab yours now. It's so amazing. I'm currently loving it, so get yours from the TikTok shop. These skincare products have recently been a game changer. I've been loving this face serum. It's anti-aging, it contains niacinamide, it contains hyaluronic acid. It so penetrates so deeply into the skin. It brightens and hydrates the skin. Also, it gets rid of fine lines and wrinkles. And also the SPF 50. To exfoliate your skin of any dead cells. This basically is going to repair your skin. It's such incredible face serum that I'm definitely going to say by far the best face serum I've ever used. And I've got the SPF 50, which is really hydrating. This SPF doesn't leave no white cast whatsoever. It's going to help to keep your skin protected from the sun, the wind, the winter, you name it. SPF is literally for all weather. I'm gonna tag it in the yellow basket, but I love this SPF. I love the fact that it blends so nicely onto the skin, doesn't leave any white cast, and it just dry off so quickly. It gives my skin that hydration, the protection that it needs. If you are looking for a good skincare for this new year, try these skincare products and you're gonna thank me later. They are so amazing. Make sure you get yours from the TikTok shop. It's so nice. I love it. Get yours now. If you're looking for that skincare product that is going to hydrate your skin, help your skin to produce natural collagen, and give you a beautiful radiant skin glow, then you need to get your hands on exosome from the Inkey List. So I've been using these new products. I'm so excited to share with you guys. This is a new skincare product from the Inkey List, and I wanted to share this with you guys because I've been wanting to get skin booster. And honestly, when I made a research about the skin booster that I really wanted to get in the exosome, it's actually going to cost me around £300 to £400. I was like, what, for skin booster just to get my hydration and brighten my skin? But when I found out that the Inkey List is actually selling the same exosome in a cream, I'm like, I needed to get this. So this is exosome, and exosome is one of the high potent skincare hydration, beauty products that is actually raving. Every celebrity, everybody's been talking about exosome. So basically you can get it in a skin booster, and also you can get it in fillers and all that stuff. So excited, literally. I've been using this for a few days and the drastic changes in my skin is amazing. So this hydrates and boosts up your skin collagen. It makes your skin glow naturally, brighten, and give you that radiant, beautiful skin, guys. It's a serum and it's very potent, guys. This is how amazing it is. So this is it. It's so hydrated. Honestly, my skin loves it. Each time I put it on my skin, I see drastic changes, and I thought I'm gonna share with you guys. I'm gonna tag in the Yellow Shop basket. If anybody wants to get one, guys, get one and try it for yourself, and I guarantee you your skin gonna love it. You're gonna see drastic changes. It feels so hydrating onto the skin, guys. Make sure you click in Yellow Shopping basket and get yours from the TikTok shop.